Welcome. Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how you can enable or disable subtitles. At the first you have to tap on the settings button on your remote control. Next you have to go for all settings. Right now we have to simply go for accessibility, find subtitles, tap on it once, and here we can easily turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And of course we can also change the subtitle language. So currently it's set up as Polish, but we can change for the English. So choose language, and after that we can just simply go back. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.